Hello, this is Stacy from trulymajestic.com, which is an arts and crafts website and also my YouTube channel under the same name. Quickly, I'll just go through in this video. I have some big channel changes that I want to announce, and also recently I posted a video about 2 dreams that I had, which I believe are prophetic, right here on this YouTube channel. But because I got some nasty comments and some people were attacking me for it, after I discussed it with my husband, we decided to take it down and put it on my husband's website, which is dedicated merely to ministry. But unfortunately, my husband's ministry website and his Facebook page are both blacklisted and shadow banned because he put messages there that are considered technically or politically incorrect. You guys know how that goes. So not only do the messages not go very far, you can't even search his website on Google and find it, even though it's not a new site. It's been there for since 2018 we built that, unless you actually type in the full address, which is jesusministries.co.uk. Notice it's not .com, it's .co.uk. And if you just type in Jesus Ministries, it won't come up. Anyway, you can go and look for yourself. It won't come up unless you put in the exact website. Anyhow, because of all this, we decided that in order to reach more people, particularly for important matters such as the 2 dreams I had initially shared and other relevant, urgent matters, we should have my dream video back on this YouTube channel again. And in fact, we should share my husband's messages here too. And I'll tell you right here that we're a simple family. We're not an organization. We're not into the business of trying to impress people. As you might see from like other people's videos, we're not here to collect likes and subs. We're simply here because we strongly feel compelled to spread the words and messages that have been laid on our hearts to as many people as possible. And we understand that there are a lot of people that fabricate dreams and lie about all sorts of things to gain recognition, but that's certainly not our purpose at all. And I'm saying this because that was one of the accusations I got by a couple of viewers last time. But now, as before, neither my husband nor I are going to respond to any nasty comments, if there should be any. We won't censor them either. We're not going to take them down. Whatever you say will just stay there. So we'll leave them there for other people to answer or respond to if they wish to do so. We don't want to do what others have done to us, but on the contrary, we want to do to others as they would have us to do to them. So if you're already my subscriber but you're not interested in these types of videos, by all means go ahead and unsubscribe. I'm sure there are plenty of other craft sites that can interest you. If you'd like to join us in prayer or leave a comment or suggestions, you can do that by either going to our craft website, trulymajestic.com, and I'll keep everything ministry related up here in the menu or either down on the footer of the page, and you can leave your comment there, or to our main ministry website, which is jesusministries.co.uk. And all the prayer stuff is on this page. However, you can leave a comment on any of the pages. So now you have a choice. If you're interested to hear more of our ministry, then go there. But if you're mainly interested in crafts, you can leave your comments here as well. And also from our Jesus Ministries Co-UK page, from there you can find our YouTube channel also. God bless you and have a lovely day.